Hey there, beautiful people out there. I'm Chris and welcome to my channel. So here on this channel you will find a variety of content focused around life, style, and motherhood. I started this channel back in 2013 and it has evolved into something I am truly passionate about. I have a true passion to educate, encourage, and enlighten my audience through my life, my style, and my journey through motherhood. So like I said, you'll find a variety of content focused around life, focused around style, fashion, beauty, makeup, hair, skincare, motherhood. Anything that you can think of is probably already on this channel, but that's the kind of videos that you can expect. But if you do have any special requests, I'll be glad to do it as well. So you can find videos posted every Monday, Wednesday, and every other Saturday at noon Central Standard Time. So like I always say, if you haven't already, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and also hit that notification bell twice so that you're notified every time I post a video and you never miss out on good content. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys stick around for the long haul and become friends with me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!